Hey guys, today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacers for Tesla Model 3. What is the best size of wheel spacers? Choosing the wheel spacer size depends on your driving style, your car's modification, and your goals. When choosing wheel spacers, size is a key factor.
Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims, where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line. If you use Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers, make sure the wheel studs are strong enough to keep everything in place safely. BONOSS Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. They are all approved by SGS and TÜV. These SGS TÜV certified wheel studs are completely safe to use. So, if you need a set of Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers to upgrade your vehicle, these wheel studs are the best handwear or safety.
These wheel spacers come with heat dissipation grooves. The heat dissipation grooves are tucked behind the spacers. When rotating, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system.
Aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 18mm-T6 material brings many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance.
If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.